So my gift from YouTube has arrived, and it's part of the YouTube Partner Perks program that they've got running at the moment. So if you've seen my previous videos or shorts, you might have seen what this is going to be. If not, you're in for a surprise. Okay, so I didn't think I was actually going to get one of these, because when I tried to, there was only so many available, 1,165 or something random like that. When you went to claim it, the address button weren't working, so I thought, oh damn it, I'm gonna miss out. But I managed to get one, and it arrived today, so here it is. So it comes in a YouTube box. Here goes. Trying to get the camera, and so you got the little Partner Perks card. Lights, camera, action. You've scored a limited edition YouTube clapperboard made just for valued partners like you. This is a one-of-a-kind item. It's funny saying it's one of a kind because like quite a few people got them. But yeah, I get what it means. You don't expect one for one of a kind. But still, off the point. I take things too literally. This is a one-kind item. It's our special thank you for all your hard work and creativity. We'd love to see your new clapperboard in your next video. Show us some magic, bloopers, and everything in between. So yeah, so if you might recognise, this is very similar to the YouTube High Five things that we got last year. And ready for the unveiling. Oh, there it is. So you get, take this out, might be easier to get out of the clapperboard then. So you get a YouTube branded pen as well to actually write on it. And then here is the actual clapperboard. So, action. So yeah, rather nifty. Not too bad, not too bad. That's how I'll probably never ever get to getting a silver play button or anything, so it's kind of nifty getting these little perks and rewards and stuff when they do it. So yeah, what do you think? I like it. It's going to be handy as well when I do like the longer tutorials, like crochet ones, when it comes to editing. So yes, I'm very happy with this. So thanks for watching, see you in my next video. Bye!
Make a patchwork of our choice, scraps of love that time employs. Through our crafts we build and make